The girl toys purses has everything the little girl needs when going out, including handbag, purse, flash camera, mobile phone with a sound, remote car with three keys, sunglasses, pretend makeup kit, and face powder and powder puff and nail polish, eyeshadow and hairbrush and all that. And they have the passport and driver license. Your child will get all the items to satisfy your child's social skills like her mom. A cute handbag designed for little princesses. The toddler purse is made of soft leather or with a zip. All princess accessories can be perfectly stored in this pretty purse, perfect for daily carry, storage, and more. We customize our own play cards for kids. They can fill information and place their photos on the card and passport, and our play cards and money can all fit in the purse to develop life skills, social skills, and foster their desire to explore the world. And press the toy mobile phone button will make the real sounds with one beautiful music in two different ringtones. Pressing the lock and unlock buttons of the remote control will make a real sound in light. And the flash camera toy comes with a photo taking sound and flash to simulate batteries. Children always imagine that they use things of adults. This little girl toys can just fulfill their wishes. If you want to get to know more about this product, you can find it in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.